testing a free AI video generator to see if it can create long AI videos better than Grok AI.
So the AI video generator we are going to be using for the long AI video is Google Flow AI. Click on Google Flow AI. It will take you to this interface where you can click on Launch Flow. Once you click on Launch Flow, then click on New Project. Once you click on New Project, you will get to this interface where you can now do the magic. Click on Start and then go ahead to upload the image I want to turn into video. So I'm just going to click on this to bring in my image. Once I bring in my image, I'll wait for it to upload and then click on this video to choose my preferred settings for the video. The first thing I'll do is choose my preferred aspect ratio, as you can see on the screen. Then choose the number of times I want my video to generate. Then choose the version of VEO3 I want to generate my video in. And this depends on the number of credits that my video will take. I prefer VEO3 fast because it takes 20 credits and it is good for my tutorial. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to write the video prompt for this video. So I'm just going to type in a woman happily creating content in her YouTube studio. You can type in whatever it is you want your character to be doing or whatever it is you want your character to do. So next I'm going to type in script and drop in the script that my character will be saying in the video. It can be saying anything depending on what your script looks like. So I'm also going to make sure that I put it in quotes so that the video generator knows that that is what my character will say. So having done that, I'm just going to click on the send button and it's going to go ahead and generate my video. And if you are watching up to this point, do not forget to subscribe, leave a comment and like this video. You see, my video is now generating. It's just going to take a little bit of time. Now my video is ready. I'm just going to click on it, and once I click on it, it will bring you to this interface where you are on extend. Make sure it is on extend at the bottom left, like you can see. But if you like, you can also decide to click on the download button to download it. Now I'm going to teach you how to make long videos. Once you're on this extend button, the next thing is you can type your prompt for the next video, for the continuation of this video that you are making. So I'm just going to type a woman happily vlogging in a YouTube studio. Then I'm going to type in script and then paste. I'm going to go and copy my script for the continuation of the video. Once I copy it, I'm going to return back and paste it. You can see I'm just going to go ahead and paste the video here. Also make sure it's in quotation, then click on video to check if my video setting is still intact. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on send. You can see it is now generating the extension of that video. So it will give me that video plus the second, that is the first script plus the second script in one video. Also, that is the first video plus the second video in one video. That is more than 8 minutes long. It could be 14 to 15 minutes long for VEO3. So you can see, just wait for it to generate. My video is done generating for the first and second video. So what you need to do now is you can decide to take a listen to the video to see if it actually generated your first and second script together, which it did in my own case, and I know yours too will do the same. Now go ahead and click on the download button. You can see clip 1 and clip 2, or you can download the video, all of the video, full video at the same time. So I choose to download the full video in 720 pixels at the same time. This will give me more than 15 seconds or 14 seconds long, depending on the nature of your script. You can see my video is downloading, and this is actually cool if you are looking for a video generator to help you generate long AI video. If you think that we are done, you are very wrong. We can also extend this 14 or 15 seconds video to up to 20 seconds video or more. So what I'm going to do is make sure it is on the extend button, then go ahead and type in my next video prompt for the third video. I'm just going to type a woman vlogging in a YouTube studio, then script, and then paste in my script. Make sure it's in quotation mark as usual, and then paste it for my third video, and it will extend it to more than 20 seconds. So if you have not subscribed yet, subscribe, because there are more to come. So once I'm done doing that, I'm just going to simply look through my prompts to make sure everything is right, and then go ahead and click on the generate button to generate the next video. Now my video is generating, and all I have to do is be patient for a few minutes for it to generate. Oh, my video is done generating, as you can see, and I urge you to take a listen to make sure that Google Flow generated the right script for you. So once I'm done taking a listen to this, I'm simply going to go ahead to download the video. Simply click on the download button. Now it will show you to download the full video, clip 1, clip 2, or clip 3. Make sure you download the full video, as this contains all your video from the first to the third one. You can also continue extending depending on how long you want your video AI to be. Please do not forget to subscribe. If you have a comment, you can quickly comment on this video. I'm going to answer you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.